Welcome to Computer Systems Servicing. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure a network cable. Cable configuration, it is a process of creating a cable that will be used in creating a network between computers and network devices such as hub, router, and switch. There are two commonly used network cables. One is the straight-through cable and the other one is crossed-over cable. In creating a network cable, we need the following materials. Cable tester, it is used to test if the cable is properly done and can control network. Crimping tool, it is used to conjoin the UTP cable to RJ45 connector to hold each other. RJ45 connector, an 8-pin connector used for terminating Cat5 or Cat6 twisted pair. UTP cable, most commonly used type of cable in local area connection. Let us now follow the steps in creating a LAN cable. First, cut into plastic sheet 1 inch from the end of the cat cable. Untwist the wire and lay it flat. Arrange the wires based on the specification you are following and make a straight cut across the wire 1/2 inch from the cat slip to the end of wires. Next, push the wires into RJ45 connector. And last, place the wired plug into the crimping tool and give the handle a firm squeeze. To make sure that each end of cable is successfully terminated, test the cable using cable tester.